Hi, so welcome to my withdrawing room, front room. Couple of things to tell you. The Spanish retreat that I'm hosting in April is now sold out. I've got so many delightful, beautiful, amazing, courageous, heartwarming clients coming with me to Spain in April. Thank you for everyone who was interested, and for those of you that are coming with me, I am so excited. I'm not taking any more spaces on that Spanish retreat. It is full and I'm so excited to be going. It's a retreat venue which is truly exceptional. Talking of truly exceptional retreat venues, I've got another one up my sleeve. Greece. I have been to this venue 3 or 4 times. Jason and Oriana, the hosts, are incredible. I am thrilled that I'm going not 1 but 2 retreats this year. So the October retreat, you can click the link and find out more, in Greece, has all the wonderful assets that we have in Spain, but it also has a private beach. Oh my word. We have a beautiful studio overlooking the Ionian Sea. It is incredible. I host about 4 or 5 individual villas, and each villa has its own private pool. Obviously, we're not going there just to sit by the pool. We have morning yoga. We have amazing breakfast looking out over the Ionian Sea. We have afternoon beach walks or drive to the nearest village, a fishing village. It is amazing. Sitting around, reading, chatting, talking. And then afternoon, did I say the Pilates? We got Pilates in the morning. We have a Wellbeing session in the afternoon where we look at how to reduce stress in our lives and all the things that we can do to promote well-being. We have yoga, and after that we have an evening meal and lots of chats. And did I mention that everything's overlooking the Ionian Sea? The Greek retreat in October. Join us.